Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you the new updates of this MIUI from Pocophone F1. Let me check is there or not. Right now my version is 9.6.17.0, and let me check the new version. Okay, this one is 9.6.22.0. So here we got some new updates, like there are several fixes, like could not be launched. There are some application virtual button were offset, and they simplified the process of turning the sound off, and adjusted the bar height, and there is some new, as you can see, face unlock places, like you can add faces from this country, because this is launched there also. And the camera application is also optimized for image processing, and there is also the recorder that will now optimize for dual mic, and some telephonic, like a phone updates and optimize. They made some optimization. So what I'm going to do is, right now, because I'm connected with the Wi-Fi, alright, so I'm going to update it. Maybe it will take a lot of time, so I will stop the video and then later on I will do the update process. Alright, so as you can see, it's now at 41%, and now the speed is it's not so fast right now. Maybe my Wi-Fi is slow, that's the reason. It's 4 and 5 Mbps right now. Alright, it's 59%. Okay, so the update is 93, 96, and yay, it's now decrypting. Now I'm going to restart my phone, so it will automatically get patched. So bye bye. And now the first process done, the decryption, and now it's starting up. Let's see what's gonna be happen. Pocophone by Xiaomi. So as you can see, it's updating right now. It will show you this kind of UI, because I cannot record my screen in this process. I am recording from my Redmi Note 4, which is 6-year-old, around 5 years. That's my system, and I'm working on some project. Alright, so as you can see, it's now updated. I just recorded this message, and let's see, after going to the new update, it will not show, but your system is already this one. So earlier I showed you some different version. Now it's 9.6.22.0. so this one is stable, and we got some security update. My version is 128GB and 6GB of RAM and 2.8 GHz high power processor. That's from Snapdragon. So thanks for watching. Do like, subscribe, and watch more videos on my channel. That's SAYID DASTAAN. Thank you so much. Have a great day. God bless you.